All right, friends, good afternoon. Welcome to our application problem for our math activity today. So, you know that we have been comparing sets using more than and less than and same as. And like I've been saying for a while, we're coming to the end of our third unit. And so we're now starting to do activities where um, we are going to be able to review all of those vocabulary words, okay? So today, just like you did yesterday, you're going to complete the application problem with me, and you are going to get a piece of paper, and on your paper, you're going to write your name, you're going to write your date, and then you can write application problem. I'm not making it mandatory, okay? So I'm going to give you 20 seconds to get a piece of paper, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds to get your paper, and then I'll give you 20 seconds to write it. So you have 10 seconds to get your paper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Now you have 20 seconds to write your name and your date. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so there are a couple of steps to our um, application problem today. So I need you to be able to keep up. So I'm going to go as slow as possible, but keep on pace. All right, friends. All right, let's get started. So the first part, we need to look at the table that you're sitting at, or if you're sitting on the couch, or you're sitting on the floor, and you are going to tell me how many people are sitting at the table. All right. So if I look around my table, actually no one is sitting at my table with me, but I know I was sitting downstairs with my parents last night, so there were two people sitting at the table with me, including myself. That made three. So three people were sitting at the table yesterday. So I'm going to write the number three, and I'm going to draw a box around it. So look around you. How many people are sitting with you? Write that number in a box. All right. And then I want you to draw those people going straight down in a line or in a column, or you can go straight across in a row. I'm actually going to go down in a column, okay? So give me a few seconds. You know, Mr. Bush draws stick figures, so it's not going to take me long. And I'm going to draw the three people that were sitting at the table last night, including myself. All right? Ta-da! Let me give him some face. Smiley faces. I made their heads kind of narrow, so faces are cramped. All right, so I have the number three that represents the three people at the table, and I have them all in a column, all right? Straight line, like you would line up in a pause line, okay? All right, so now I want you to look around your table, and I want you to write the number of pens or pencils that you may have on your table. All right. And I know laying on my table right now, I have one, two, five pencils and markers all together. So I'm going to write the number five and then write a box around it. See? And then what do you think I want to do next? Look at what we did over here. And look at what we've started over here. What do you think I want to do next? If you said that I'm going to draw them in a straight line, you are absolutely correct. So go ahead and draw your pencils in a straight line. Remember that. One, two, three, four, five. If you hold your paper up, you should have your five pencils and or markers drawn. okay? And then I am going to draw a straight line. I want to give every person one pencil or marker, okay? So you get a pencil, you get a pencil, you get a everyone has a pencil, all right? Now, looking at my picture, do I have more pencils left? I do. So, which one do I have less of? Do I have less people or do I have less pencils? I have less people. So I'm going to write my sentence. There are less people than pencils. There are less pencils than. And I'm going to teach you something new. I'm going to write 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. And then I'm going to attach a video that you can go and you can watch about the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. That's actually going to come up in our lesson tomorrow, but it'll just give you a preview for it today. Okay? All right. So I had 3 people sitting at the table yesterday. I wrote my number 3. I drew my people. I had 5 pencils on the table and I drew my 5 pencils. I matched every person to one pencil and I realized that I still had pencils left over. And because we're doing less than comparison today, my sentence says there are less people than pencils, and 3 is less than 5. All right. Thank you, friends.